Nitin Nabin in just a few hours from now will be formally taking over as the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, the selection and election of Nitin Nabin as the party president has been a surprise for the outsiders. But within the party, he is already recognized as the next gen Chanakya, the master strategist who built the youth wing of the party and scripted Chhattisgarh Assembly and Lok Sabha wing. The road ahead for him has many challenges, and BJP hopes the fresh breath of air that Nitin Nabin represents will win it, if not all, at least most of the battles ahead. Young and vibrant millennial Nitin Nabin from Bihar is the new national president of BJP, succeeding the torch from 65-year-old Jagat Prakash Nadda.
करतल ध्वनि से तालियों के साथ आभार प्रकट करिए हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष आदरणीय श्री नितिन नवीन जी का.
BJP as a party will turn 46 years old in April this year, and its new president will turn 46 in a few days on 23rd January. In 2026, BJP signed its motto as Youth, Energy, Continuity. Nitin Nabin from Bihar party ranks and a minister in state cabinet embodies the motto. Paving his way, 37 sets of nomination papers were filed for him on Monday for the party president's post. The BJP Parliamentary Party also filed nomination papers in favour of Nitin Nabin, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi was a signatory in that nomination paper.
हमारे यशस्वी राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष श्री नितिन नवीन जी का.
Formally announced as the new president of the party, Nitin Nabin now has to fill in the big shoes of his predecessor JP Nadda. Since Nadda assumed leadership, the BJP has contested 33 assembly elections, the 2024 Lok Sabha polls, and even the presidential and vice presidential elections. In the assembly polls, the party recorded 19 victories, retaining its key states while snatching Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh from the Congress. Its biggest wins came in Odisha and Delhi, where the party formed governments along with surprise victories in Maharashtra and Haryana. In the Lok Sabha polls, the BJP tally dipped, but the party managed to form the government with the support of its allies. Now the question is, what lies ahead in BJP's Nabin era? Nitin Nabin takes over at a time when his party is about to face the biggest electoral challenge of the year. Assembly elections in Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala would be a battle to propel the BJP in the driver's seat. In Assam and Puducherry, BJP has to defend its government and retain power. Beyond these immediate political battles, the new BJP president will also be tasked with steering the party towards the 2029 Lok Sabha elections. The next general elections will be held amid significant changes such as delimitation and the implementation of a 33% women's quota in parliament and state assemblies. Far from the politics and its moves and counter-moves, those who spend days with him in his school and college, he is the friend they cherish and respect his success.
मेहनती रहे हैं वो शुरू से ही, और एग्ज़ाम के समय पे रात को देर रात तक पढ़ना, सुबह जल्दी उठ के पढ़ना, खुद तो करते ही थे, साथ में मैं उनका रूममेट था, तो मुझे भी रात को बोलेंगे तुम पढ़ो, तुम भी पढ़ो, सुबह जल्दी उठो, और खुद एफर्ट करके चाहते थे कि हम बाकी लोग भी, उनके आसपास के जो लोग हैं, मेहनत करें और अच्छा करें.
नितिन नबीन हमारे साथ बचपन से ही जुड़े हुए हैं. मैं उनका घर हमारे घर अगल बगल में ही था. वो बचपन से ही बड़े विनम्र स्वभाव के थे, सबको साथ लेके चलना, और हमारे साथ पढ़ाई में भी वो बड़ी अव्वल आते थे हमेशा, और साथ में हम लोग क्रिकेट भी खेलते थे साथ में शाम में आने के बाद. और उनमें एक खूबी था कि वो जितने दोस्त थे सभी को एक तरह से समझकर और एक साथ लेके चलते थे.
In Nitin Nabin, the Prime Minister hopes to find the successor, strategist and leadership combination to take the party forward in the next decade. Bureau Report, India Today.